Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. Hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about very beautiful classic and royal black heels. As you know, our black long heels series is going very well strong. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. So friends, let's start our video. So stepping into the world of black long heels is akin to entering a realm of elegance. These shoes, with their towering grace and midnight hue, they are a confidence of style and stature. They have become synonymous with a kind of understated glamour that both captivating and classic. So every pair tells a story. Some narrate tales of glamorous soirs, while others speak of boardroom battles won. So their versatility is their superpower, making them apt for almost any setting. Whether it's the glossy patent leather or the muted metal, the range of textures adds another dimension to their allure. But wearing them is always a race. It requires a combination of balance, grace, and endurance. It's a dance where every step counts and each stride is a statement. Investing in a comfortable pair with cushioning and support can make this dance more enjoyable. In popular black culture, heels they have often been symbols of empowerment. They are seen as weapons of confidence, tools that can transform the mundane into the magnificent. So, in essence, black long heels transcend fashion. They are timeless treasures, always in vogue and forever enchanting. You can style black long heels with many dresses. You can wear them on your special occasions like birthdays, dinners, and as you wish for your occasion. So I hope you like this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. And let me know in comments if you want more videos on these types of very beautiful classic and elegant shoes. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of these very beautiful shoes. Goodbye, see you soon.